Hi guys, in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between CSK versus Delhi Capitals, which is a qualifier one, which is a very big match, and this match is going to be held in Dubai International Stadium. And this pitch is going to support both batting as well as bowling, and the average score will be 145 runs, and the team which is going to chase down the target will be the winning side. So as far as the data we have, the team which is going to play batting in the second innings, the team which is going to chase down the target have the higher chances of winning. For example, if CSK won the toss and elected to bowl first, then CSK have higher chances of winning. As well as when Delhi Capitals won the toss and they elected to bowl first, and then Delhi Capitals will have higher chances of winning. So based on this point, we can estimate which team is going to win. For example, if Delhi Capitals won the toss, then they have the higher chances of winning the match, as well as if CSK won the toss, they have the higher chances of winning the match. So so by remembering these points, so let's go to the software and create the teams. So first of all, let's click on cricket, and after that generate teams, and we need to choose the fantasy, which is Dream 11. After that continue, and we need to choose the series here, which is IPL, and after that we have a lot of types of generations available, but we are going to go with advanced generation section. So we are going to use our strategies along with the software. So first of all, click on advanced generation section, and after that we need to choose the teams. The match is in between DC versus CSK, and after that continue, and you can give any match number because we need the match number to store your teams. So you can give any number, there will be no problem. For example 96, and after that continue, and we need to choose at least 6 players from each team. So I'm going to select some of the players from both the teams. So first of all, Rishabh Pant will be the first player, and Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Severin Hetmeyer, Shreyas Iyer, and Steven Smith might play, or in place of Steven Smith, if Marcus Stoinis is fit, he will also play. So we can decide after the toss. So let's go with the Steven Smith for this match, and after that Akshar Patel and Kagison Rabada, Avesh Khan, and A. Norche, and Ravichandran Ashwin. These are the 11 players from Delhi Capital side. And from the CSK side, you can leave Dhoni, MS Dhoni, you can ignore MS Dhoni, and also go with Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad, and Ambati Rayudu. Suresh Raina will going to play today. I don't think Suresh Raina will score more runs. I don't think, because he is not in good form. You can leave him, you can take the risk. And Ravindra Jadeja and Moeen Ali and Dan Bravo and Shardul Thakur and Deepak Chahar and Josh Hazlewood. So these are the players from the CSK side. So if you want to take some chances, for example, you can leave some players like so for example, from the Delhi Capital side, you cannot ignore any player because all of them are in good form. But from the CSK side, you can ignore MS Dhoni and Suresh Raina as well, and after that continue. And we need to select the fixed players. So if you are very confident about some players, you can fix here. For example, Avesh Khan you can fix. For example, Kagison Rabada you can fix, because he is a very good bowler. He will definitely take some wickets. So you can fix Kagison Rabada. And also if you want to fix, you can also fix Dan Bravo. He is also a good player because he is bowling. He will definitely take 1 or 2 wickets. So like that you can fix these players, and after that continue. And we need to select the captain potential players. So I am going to select Rishabh Pant, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, and Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad, and Moeen Ali you can also select here. For example, if you don't want, you can leave. So I am Moeen Ali, Dan Bravo, and Kagison Rabada and Avesh Khan, and so these are the players I am going to select. If Steve Smith is playing, you can also select him for the captain player because he is a very great player. So based on that you can decide, and after that continue, and let's select the vice captain players also. So let's click on some more players in vice captain section. So these are the players from vice captain section. I am going to select almost all the players. And from the CSK side, I'm going to select more players in vice captain section, because vice captain we can take risk. So after that, continue, and we need to select the team partition strategy. For example, you can decide after the toss. This is the place you can decide after the toss. For example, Delhi Capitals won the toss, you can favor Delhi Capitals. I mean, if Delhi Capitals is team 1, so you can favor more players from Delhi Capitals. Or if CSK won the toss, you can favor CSK. But for now, I think Delhi Capitals will be the winning side for tomorrow. I think Delhi Capitals will win the match, so I am going to favor Delhi Capitals. And after that, continue, and we need to enter the credit range. You can give any credit range. For example, 98 to 100. You can 98 to 100 is the ideal credit range for the Grand League. So please remember this. You cannot give any credit range. You should give around 98 to 100. And after that, continue, and let's select the strategies. We need to select the one wicket keeper strategies. I suggest you to go with all the wicket keeper strategies, all the strategies that are available, because we cannot expect the match. I mean, the pitch is a balanced pitch, so we cannot expect the exact situation. So we need to select all the strategies available, and after that, continue. And we need to enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate anywhere between 1 to 3,333 teams, but as of now 20 teams are absolutely fine, and even 11 teams are also fine. You can go with 11 teams or 5 to 6 teams, that is also fine. So after that, let's continue. So you can see the teams are successfully stored and at match number 96. And all these teams are very accurate teams, because we have used our strategies and along with the software. I hope you guys understand what I'm doing, and this is the actual process you should follow. I hope you guys understand. So if you like this video, please go ahead, like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.